Hey all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can actually connect Gog CLI to Gmail and then we can integrate with OpenClaw to manage our inbox task. So here, first, what we are going to do is that we are first going to see in the PowerShell that see, we are first going to clone the repository of this git clone and this website. So what is this is that basically we are just going to clone this repository and then we are using the TLS handshake to remove the timeout errors. So after we add this, we are basically cloning this repository and then we are storing our access in a token, config.js token or credentials.js token. So then we have to authorize this token and then this will be saved in the path. Okay. And then whenever we want to add our Gmail account, this is the command which we add our Gmail account. So then we can open this browser and whenever we open this browser, we have to authenticate here. Okay. Whenever we authenticate here, so first we have to provide the data access to which person do we need. So here, as we can see, we have to go to this console.google cloud and then we have to add our test user. So this is my test user here. Okay. So now let us go to this. And after you add this, see, you are connected now. So you are authorized to your workspace. Fine. So after this gets over, you need to actually provide a 16-digit password where you will get this here. Okay. You can either use using IMAP or normal 6-digit password where you have to just specify your password and you can type a name for it. So after this gets completed, you have to add a passphrase. So what is this passphrase? Passphrase is basically like a kind of a key you're adding to just save your information. So this pass key for this is this thing itself. GOG authorization adding this test user. After you add this, we'll just retrieve the messages of first five queries using this JSON format. Okay, and for this, whenever you enter the passphrase again, see, I'm getting these messages. So these are the messages which were unread by me from my email. So how this is possible? So I'll open my inbox here and see I have searched for this. Okay. The first one is Parik Jain. So when I search for this, so there was a message I did not read at 2:48 p.m. Okay, it was about a special launch. Let me go here. And you can see even the time is also been specified that this was at 25th February, which is today. So yeah, this was the email, and then we got about Google for security alert, and then we got from Akshay Saini. Okay, so let's see this here. Let's check all our emails. So see, these are some of the emails. See, this was the one. Okay, this was the one which was actually made by this, and then the Akshay Saini one as well. So see, everything has been retrieved here. Okay, I even don't need to check my promotion folder in the inbox as well. Just by running a query, I can see which is very relevant to me. See, as we can see that these are all related to our studies, right? Let's say for Google Cloud Gen AI Academy invitation and then for building a software. So see, we can see whichever are important, it is retrieving that. Remaining all were just for casualties. So they are just for making sure that we are actually retrieving only those things which we need to build. So now after this gets completed, we need to make sure that we have to use OpenClaw to retrieve the queries. So see here, we are actually retrieving the unread messages from the email. Okay. And then we can add the agents there. So after you add the agents, we are using emails.json. We are saving this. And then you can use this cron query to run this command to retrieve your responses from OpenClaw. Okay. So whenever we do this, we have to again check this for bash file. So whenever you come here, you create a bash file and then you can add your query accordingly, and then OpenClaw will also fetch your responses in a similar way which I have shown above. So in this way you can automate.